Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a testimonial section with stars ratings like this in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website built using Hostinger website builder, click on edit website. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to create a testimonial section with star ratings, it's simple. Just hover with your mouse between two sections and you will see this add section button. Click on it. This new window pops up. Here, scroll down to testimonials, click on it, and you will see multiple testimonials section templates. I will go with this second one. Automatically, after clicking on the template, you will see it added to your page. Now you can start customizing the testimonials section titles. Testimonials. You can delete an element like that. You can return from here. You can edit the stars by just deleting a star. You can add multiple stars by copying one using Command C or Control C on PC, and then Command V or Control V to add multiple stars. Double click this text and you can start editing it. And here for the testimonials for person or profile photo, click on it. You can delete it like that or change it by clicking on edit image. Click on replace image. You can upload your profile photo from your computer by clicking on this upload files button. Now to edit before that, to make this section a little bit taller. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. To make this section a little bit taller, just drag and drop or just use this little section height icon like that, and then you can duplicate this background, duplicate these stars, duplicate the text, duplicate the profile photo. Unfortunately, you can't duplicate all at once. This is why I duplicate one element per one element. Now let's see how to edit this testimonial section background. Click on the background of this section. You will see this new bar. Click on edit section. Here for the background, you can go with a color, an image, or even a video. For the colors, you can edit the section color from here. Let's go with this yellow. You can even go with a photo. You can upload your photo from your computer or use free images provided by Pixels services. You can for videos, click on video and then replace this video with another one. Click on select item and now you can edit. If your text is not visible, you can edit the overlay opacity, for example, like that, and make your text white. Same thing for the small text, and you can edit it like that. And this now, after that, don't forget to hit this update website to publish this testimonials new section. Let's view our website live. And this is our testimonials new section. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.